Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the solutions of Sainik School 2023 Class 9th General Science. Let's move on to the first question of General Science. That is, identify the current sequence of the process that results in lightning. The magnitude of accumulated charges become large. Accumulation of negative charge near the lower edges of cloud. Air becomes conductor of charges. Accumulation of positive charge near the upper edges of the cloud. Negative and positive charge meet, producing streaks of bright light, and the sounds called lightning. Okay, as you can see that called as lightning, it should be the last one. This is the way how to solve the paper efficiently. Okay, next हमारा option हो सकता है यहाँ पर, that is A. Magnitude of accumulated charges become large. That is because lightning या light electricity जो है वो charges के accumulation की वजह से होता है. So that A. ठीक है. Next हमारा होगा air becomes conductor of charges. Conduction की जरूरत है हमें, तो हमारे पास C option, मतलब C should be the second number. Then accumulation of negative charge near the lower edges of the cloud. That is B. Then air accumulation of positive charge near the upper edges of the cloud. That is D and D. Okay, positive, negative, positive charges. कंडक्टर का मतलब पाथ मिल ही गया, बाद में डेफिनेशन दे रखी है ई जो है, ठीक है, और ए इज द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ अक्यूमुलेटेड चार्जेस जो है वो बिकम लार्ज. लार्ज होने की वजह से उसका आगे हो गया. ठीक है, तो ऑप्शन ए सी बी डी ई, इट इज इन फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. यू कैन सी द correct sequence. Okay, let's move on to the next question. That is your the calorific value of a fuel is expressed in the unit. First option is gram per joule. Second option is kg per joule. Third option is kilojoule per kg. And fourth option is kilojoule per kg. So third option is the correct answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question. 78. To electroplate silver Ag on a metal object, what will you choose as a cathode, anode, and an electrolyte? Okay, so option first is cathode, metal object, which metal is silver, anode is silver bar, electrolyte is the copper salt. Cathode, second option is cathode, silver bar, and anode is metal object, electrolyte is silver salt. Third option is cathode is metal object, anode is silver bar, and electrolyte is silver salt. Okay. Fourth option is cathode is copper rod, second anode is silver bar, and the electrolyte is a copper salt. Okay. Answer for this question is cathode. Cathode, the third option. Okay. Third option is the correct answer for this question. Okay. Let's move on to the next. 79th, Rashi was unable to hold the greasy tumbler of the milk in her hand. It would be because greasing has made the surface smooth, increasing the friction. Greasing has made the surface rough, decreasing the friction. Greasing has made the surface smooth and reducing the friction. Greasing has made the surface rough and increasing the friction. ये बहुत easy question है, and this question option for this question, correct answer for this question is third option. That is, greasing has made the surface smooth and reducing the friction. ठीक है, friction नहीं होगा तो she is not able to hold the tumbler. Okay, that is the glass. Okay, anything. Next is 80th. Combine is a machine. All you know about it. Identify from which of the following it is used. For harvesting and threshing. Next is for sowing and harvesting. For threshing and sowing. For irrigation and sowing. So first option, the harvesting and threshing, is the correct answer for this question. Okay, let's move on to the 81. The tadpole develops into an adult frog by the process of, first option is fertilization, second option is metamorphosis, budding is the third option, and fourth one is adaptation. Okay, tadpole develops into the adult frog. For this question, the question answer for this question is second option, that is metamorphism. The change of the we can say that the change of a form, metamorphism या metamorphic process जो होता है वो one form to another form जो है change होना होता है. ठीक है. 82 force acting opposite to the direction of motion of a body is opposite force. कौन सी होगी motion of the उसके? First option is gravitational force, second is electrical force, third is frictional force, fourth is atmospheric force. When we are moving, ठीक है, some force is acting on us in opposite direction, that is called as a frictional force. ठीक है. So correct option for this question is third option, that is frictional force. ठीक है. Next question is 82 के बाद we have to discuss about the 83 question. Human ears are sensory organs that helps to hear the sound. Its outer portion can be seen. The rest of the delicate ear is buried deep inside the skull. Identify the correct sequence from the outer ear to inner ear. Actually, it is a structure of ear कह सकते हैं we can. तो question third के अंदर देखिए, first is auditory nerve, B is your eardrum. Third option is pinna. T is ear tube and E is the inner ear. ठीक है. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. ठीक है. So यहाँ पर options जो है, ठीक है, you can see here that correct option for this question should be C, D, B, E, A. C should be the pinna. E second वाला होगा C, D. D is ear tube. B is eardrum and E is inner ear and then auditory nerve. ठीक है, that connected to the brain for the signal. ठीक है. Let's move on to the next question. Match the list 1 to the list 2. ठीक है. First list में दे रखा है Braille, kaleidoscope, dispersion, lateral inversion. So for second list में splitting of white light into the 7 colors. Left of the object appears right and right appears left. Resource for visibly blind challenged person. Beautiful patterns are formed because of the multiple reflection. Okay, these are the phenomena of light और इनके सारे डेफिनेशंस दे रखी हैं और हम सबको मैच करना है. ठीक है. चूज द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द ऑप्शंस गिवन बिलो. ठीक है. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द ब्रेली आपको पता है ब्रेली आपकी एक स्क्रिप्ट भी होती है. ठीक है. जो ब्लाइंड स्टूडेंट्स वगैरह जो ब्लाइंड पीपल होते हैं उनके लिए टच करके वो लोग इस चीज को आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं. सो ए का थर्ड होगा, ये तो क्लियर है. हम ऑप्शन में देख सकते हैं ए थर्ड कहाँ है. ए सिर्फ इसी में थर्ड है. सो ये तो कंफर्म हो गया कि ऑप्शन हमारा थर्ड है, बट चलो हम और अच्छे से समझ लेते हैं. कैलिडोस्कोप, ठीक है. बी का होगा आपका, बी का फोर्थ, द ब्यूटीफुल पैटर्न फॉर्म्ड बिकॉज ऑफ मल्टीपल रिफ्लेक्शन, तो बी का आपका फोर्थ होगा. नेक्स्ट सी, डिस्पर्शन, सी का आपका होगा 1. स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ व्हाइट लाइट इनटू द 7 कलर्स, तो सी का हो गया 1. ठीक है. एंड डी का ऑब्वियसली सी बात है बचा हुआ है तो लेटरल इन्वर्जन है, तो ये आपका आंसर होगा करेक्ट, थर्ड ऑप्शन. ठीक है. तो इसमें वैसे भी आप विदाउट उसके बता सकते थे, कोई इशू नहीं था. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट फॉर सीएनजी? It can be easily transported through the pipes. It is more polluting. It is stored under high pressure. It is used as a fuel for transport vehicles. ठीक है. So which is the correct option for this question? 85. CNG is compressed natural gas. ठीक है. 85 का होगा आपका it is more polluting. Amish has to demonstrate a science activity on ignition temperature from the objects given to him, like paper sheets, candle, matchbox, and water. The correct sequence for the activity to work will be. First option is first मतलब sequence में जो दे रखा है, light the candle, pour the water in one of the cups, continue heating both the cups, make 2 paper cups by folding a sheet of paper, heat both the cups separately with a candle. ठीक है. So this question 86 has the correct answer option number third, because D, make the 2 paper cups by folding the sheet of paper. B, pour the water in one of the cups. Then A, light the candle. ठीक है. E, heat the both cups separately with a candle. And then C, continue the heating both cups. ठीक है. This is about the science activity on ignition temperature. ठीक है. Let's move on to the next one. 87th. Again, the cell organelles दे रखी है और उनके functions दे रखे हैं. We have to match. Like nucleus and cell membrane, chromosomes and cytoplasm. Nucleus, cell membrane, chromosome, cytoplasm contain cell organelles. Control center of all activities of the cell, transfer of characters and provide shape and the protection. These are the functions इनको हमें match करना है with this. तो A लिस्ट में जो दे रखा है तो हम इसमें सबसे पहले देखते हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल न्यूक्लियस के बारे में बात करते हैं. न्यूक्लियस इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर, बताइए, न्यूक्लियस इज कंट्रोल सेंटर ऑफ ऑल एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द सेल. एक सेकेंड, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, सेल मेम्ब्रेन प्रोवाइड शेप एंड प्रोटेक्शन. तो बी का क्या होगा? 4. क्रोमोसोम्स ट्रांसफर ऑफ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, कैरेक्टर्स मतलब सी का 3rd हो गया. ठीक है. डी साइटोप्लाज्म कंटेन सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स, तो डी का हो गया आपका 1. तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Identify the name of the book carrying information about the endangered species from the following: red data book, record data book, record book, observation book. ठीक है. 88 क्वेश्चन का आंसर है रेड डेटा बुक इज द करेक्ट आंसर. आइडेंटिफाई द ट्रेडिशनल मेथड्स ऑफ इरिगेशन: चेन पंप, लिवर सिस्टम, स्प्रिंकलर सिस्टम, ड्रिप सिस्टम. ठीक है. मेथड्स ऑफ इरिगेशन ट्रेडिशनली हम जो यूज करते थे उनमें से. सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन सेज बोथ ए एंड सी, सेकेंड ऑप्शन सेज बोथ ए एंड बी, थर्ड ऑप्शन सेज सी एंड डी, एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन सेज डी एंड ए. सो करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज both A and B. Next question is, name a national park situated in Panchmari Biosphere Reserve from the following: Satpura National Park, Bori National Park, Jim Corbett National Park, Tawa National Park. So which is situated in Panchmari Bioreserve? So it is the correct answer for this question is Satpura National Park, because Panchmari जो बायोस्फीयर है ये आपका मध्य प्रदेश में है, सतपुड़ा उधर है. ठीक है. Ankush has just entered in his adolescence years. He wishes to know what should be eaten to remain healthy. Which of the following set of food should he consume to fit and healthy? So which is the correct sequence or correct answer? First option is milk, rice, dal, leafy vegetables. Second, chips, leafy vegetables, milk and burger. Third is milk, dal, leafy vegetables, fried snacks. Fourth is dal, rice, burger, chips. Okay, some options containing the fast foods, and fast foods are not good for the health. So इससे पता चल रहा है the correct option for this question is first, that is milk, rice, dal, leafy vegetable, which contains the all kinds of nutrients. Okay, carbohydrates, proteins, and etc. So 92 at the puberty, which hormone is secreted by ovaries? Estrogen, growth hormone, testosterone या फिर इंसुलिन. एट puberty 92 क्वेश्चन का आंसर है आपका एस्ट्रोजन. ठीक है. ओवरीज इन फीमेल. ठीक है. Metamorphosis in fog is controlled by this hormone: insulin, thyroxine, estrogen, and adrenaline. ठीक है. So correct answer for 93 question is thyroxine. Thyroxine is the correct answer. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Choose a feasible displacement reaction from the options given below: copper sulfate plus zinc granules, copper or zinc, iron sulfate or copper turnings, zinc sulfate या iron needles में, या zinc sulfate या copper turnings में. Displacement reaction में जो more क्या कहते हैं रिएक्टिव होता है वो दूसरे वाले को डिस्प्लेस कर सकता है दूसरे वाले सॉल्ट में से. ठीक है. तो द correct answer for this question is 94th. That is option number 1. ठीक है. That is copper sulfate. ठीक है. Plus zinc granules gives zinc sulfate plus आपका copper. ठीक है. तो copper is displaced by the zinc in this reaction. So option number 1. That's the correct answer. Okay. Plastic containers or boxes are mostly preferred to store the food item because these are non-biodegradable, non-reactive, poor conductor of heat and electricity, and more expensive. ठीक है. 95th का होता है non-reactive. Okay, they do not react with the food items, so that plastic containers or boxes are mostly preferred to store the food items. Okay, if current is passed through the copper sulfate solution, copper get displaced on the plate connected to positive terminal of the battery, negative terminal of the battery, when battery is not connected, and the copper deposited on both the plates. Okay. So correct answer for the 96th question is positive terminal of the battery. Okay, this is your correct answer for this question, 96. Okay, let's move on to the next question. ISRO stands for, very easy, Indian Science Research Organization, International Science Research Organization, Indian Space Research Organization, Interstate Research Organization. So correct option is C. इसका headquarter है आपका Bangalore. Okay. Next 98. Identify which is not water pollutant from the following: sewage, algae, fertilizers, and weedicides. Okay. The correct answer for the 98 question is algae. Okay. Next question is, which of the following gases are responsible for the global warming? काफी repeated question है ये. CO2, methane, water vapor. CO2, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide or water vapor, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, water vapor, carbon dioxide, ozone or methane. So responsible for global warming is carbon dioxide, methane and water vapor. So option 1. Okay. The bread or idli dough become fluffy because of heat, grinding, growth of yeast cells or kneading. Okay. So third option is the correct answer. Thank you all of you and have a nice.
पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए और लेटेस्ट एग्जाम अपडेट्स जानने के लिए डाउनलोड करें कैरियर डिफेंस स्कूल का एंड्रॉयड ऐप.